Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today we're going to check out a 2020 Scout 210 Dorado. First, we'll start at the transom of the boat. You have two swim platforms. On the port side, you have a nice two-step ladder. We've optioned this boat out with the Yamaha 154-stroke XCA, which is going to give you the digital throttle and shift. We've also optioned the boat out with the stainless steel ski pylon. Across the transom, you have a nice full-width bench seat. And this is going to fold forward, and your wave gate will drop down to give you easy access in and out of the boat. This is a self-bailing deck. Making our way forward, we have a nice stainless steel windshield. Boat is equipped with a bimini top. Seating configuration, you have two Helm seats in lieu of the back-to-back seat on the port side, so that really opens up the cockpit space. This is a really big 21-foot dual console with an 8'4" beam. At the helm, as I'd mentioned earlier, you do have digital throttle and shift, a stainless steel steering wheel, the Infinity stereo system. The boat is equipped with Lenco trim tabs. You have a nice electronics box here, which is lockable. In the deck of the boat, you have a nice big ski locker. Has plenty of length in there for your water toys or also for fishing rods. And this space is lockable as well. On the port side, you do have designated rod storage as well. You have storage forward of the port side seat, a lockable glove box, and some additional storage underneath the helm. Up in the bow of the boat, you have two full-length loungers, so plenty of room to stretch out. You have a fold-out table, as well as an insulated box that can be used as a cooler up in the bow of the boat. This boat also has a really nice designated anchor locker storage. So that's a real quick look at our 2020 210 Dorado. If you'd like to see this boat in person or any of the other Scouts we have in stock, ask for me, Dean Ashton. I'll be happy to help you out.